Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I am going to be revealing the teaser of Narang Realty new launch project located in Bangur Nagar. As you can see, I am standing at the main location. Right here is the construction site. And here is the main road. Have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. This road leads you to the link road. In this video, we'll be talking about the following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project will be located at Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West with a land parcel of 2.74 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 40 floors with configuration of 3, 4 and 5 BHK. Talking about connectivity of this project will be located in New Link Road, Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West with Bangur Metro Station at a distance of just 5 minutes, upcoming Coastal Road at a distance of just 5 minutes, in-orbit mall at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus ultra luxurious amenity including swimming pool, badminton court, turf, kids play area and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configuration: 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK, duplexes and Jodi option available with 3 BHK ranging from 1400 square feet to 1500 square feet, 4 BHK ranging from 2000 square feet to 2200 square feet and 5 BHK ranging from 2700 square feet to 2800 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our EOI window is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the actual project details, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes and will also help you with the actual project location tour. If still the client like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI. So everyone, this was the teaser of Narang Realty in Goregaon West. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.